guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make chicken strips, but with Cheez-Its. So first you're going to have 3 separate bowls. In the first bowl you're going to put 1/2 cup of flour, and then you're going to do 2 eggs, and you're going to have to put some Cheez-Its in a bag and then use your hands to crunch them up, otherwise there's just going to be big squares on your chicken strips. So crumple them up and then you can put them into the third bowl. So it goes flour, eggs, and then Cheez-Its, and then you put them on your pan. So if you have chicken, you can cut them up. So first you put it in the flour and you kind of roll it around so it can get all over it, and then shake it off. And then put it into the eggs. And then put it into the Cheez-Its. You make sure to get it covered of Cheez-Its, and then it'll be even better. And then put it on the pan. And just keep doing that until all your chicken strips are gone. Or at least when you want to be done and you think that's enough. And make sure to go to my YouTube channel, link in the description, and go there and subscribe, and you also can share it with your friends and family. And if you have any recipes for me, you can comment that down below, and maybe in the future I can make them. So after you're done making all of them, you are going to set the oven for 350 for the degree and about 10 minutes. And then you're going to take them out and you're going to flip them. And then put them back in for another 10 minutes. And I'm making 2 batches, so you can put them in the oven now, or you can save some and freeze them so you can have them in the future too. Now, I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure to comment below if you're going to try this recipe, because I've tried it before and it's really good. So you guys should try it. See you guys next time.